Hello, I just came home from town and look what I got in the mail. So I ordered 2 items from ZARA last Thursday because I heard that ZARA is finally shipping in New Zealand online. So I thought I would try out the website based on the shipping, customer service, and their website. So I went on their website and had a look at stuff, and I find their website a little bit confusing because everything is sort of like a collage form, and it's kind of hard to tell which how do I put it? It's like, it's not one of those websites where they have little images of stuff that you wanted to see, whereas in Zara they have like a huge photos of things to make it look like they're selling more stuff, but they're actually not. But anyway, if you order $75 New Zealand, you get free shipping. So that's what I did, and I ordered 2 items. The box is so cute. It says right here that their boxes are made of boxes with a pass, so that means that they recycle all their boxes that they had before. And I think I only got 2 things. I got a loafer, no, I got a mule, and I got a coin purse. It's kind of hard to open this with one hand, but we'll manage. How are you guys? I hope you're having a great Monday today. It's actually a great day today, but it's a little bit windy. Oh my gosh, they wrapped it so good. I'll be back. Finally, I managed to crack the box open, but upon opening, this is what it looks like. So I love how they wrapped it nicely. I got, ooh, it comes with a dust bag, which I like. This would be great for when I travel. I could pop that in there. But I got this Gucci inspired mules, or I don't even know what you call them, slip-ons. And yeah, I got the floral one, so it looks pretty good. Embroidery looks cool. It has a mini heel, and I got the size 38, so that's 7.5, and this is $55.19 New Zealand. So I thought that was cool, and it came in a dust bag. And the next item I purchased is this one right here. It's the cute beaded purse. I think this one is velour. It doesn't really say, but this one is $19.90. So the total of my order was exactly $75, or a little bit more than $75. And yeah, I thought this is cute to put all my necessities in there, so I don't have to carry a whole bunch of cards and some coins. So that's so cute. So shipping took about 3 working days because I ordered it on Thursday morning, and then you got Friday, the weekend, and Monday today. So it arrived Monday around 10 o'clock. So I thought that the shipping was actually relatively fast, considering that there's a weekend in between. And service, it's pretty cool. They sent me a text message that my parcel is being shipped, and I also received an email of the e-ticket that they use to ship out, because I guess they're trying to save the paper, and they're all about like recycling stuff. So I thought that was nice that instead of getting the actual paper, they actually just emailed it to me. So if ever it did not arrive, I could easily just reply to their customer service to get a follow-up on the stuff that I ordered. So I thought that was really nice. So I went to town today to get my thrifted Dior bag fixed because the strap was a little bit long. So I decided to take out about 8 inches of the strap. So hoping that they will do a good job, because that's the same place in railway station that I got my vintage Ralph Lauren fix. And they're called Lesvos Bag and Repair Shop. They're actually inside the railway station, so I am positive that they will do another good job, because they're very polished when it comes to fixing bags, especially leather bags. So that was nice. So I did a little bit of damage. I went to Rebel Sports because I wanted to buy more jumpers like these ones. They're great for spring / autumn and also for winter for layering. So I bought a few stuff. So first off, I bought this. They're both on sale. So I got this jumper from Reebok, and it's like a wash denim kind of style, and this was $59 from original price was $90. So I thought that was good that I was able to save $30. And then another jumper that I got is this cool jumper that I found from Puma, and it's actually on sale as well. Oh my gosh. So it comes with this velvet Puma logo, and it has pockets on the side, which I thought was cool, and that runs a little bit big, so it will look a little bit funny on me, but then I don't really mind, because I thought I would wear these two when I travel soon, because the time difference is huge. Also the weather, because in New Zealand we're coming into winter, and when I go over to Asia it'll be like summertime. So I thought this would be great for traveling and change of weather. And then I went to Cotton On and I purchased 2 t-shirts, because they're having this sale where you buy 2 t-shirts for $30. So, and I also need a new shirt, so I got this shirt right here, which has a print that says Wanderlust Club, and it's stripes, and I love stripes. And I got another white shirt, and this is the Coca-Cola version, and it's just like a, I'm not even sure, it has like a bunch of, I'm guessing, Japanese writing and then Coca-Cola, which I thought was really cool. And after Cotton On, I actually went to a thrift store. So I went to Paper Bag Princess to have a look on what stuff they have, and they didn't really have a lot, though I found this really nice white dress. It's by Abercrombie and Fitch, but then I thought, would I really wear it? So I did not get that. Instead, I got another black shirt, and this is from Country Road. So it's just your nice black shirt with kind of like not 3/4 sleeve, but it sits right just here. And then I have this shirt, actually it's a tank top from Max, and it looks so pretty. So that's that. So I thought those items will be great and perfect for my upcoming trip to Asia. So that's exciting, and that's what I did today, really. Nothing much. I was gonna vlog, but I did not, because I don't know, just didn't feel like it. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a great Monday, and I hope you are enjoying my Coromandel vlogs. I finally uploaded all of them, and I have the last one to put in public tomorrow. And yeah, I will catch you on the next vlog. Bye.